Hi, I'm Dr. Cody with Carolina Chiropractic. Today I'm with a new patient that is your first time being adjusted, correct?
Yes.
And like I said, I've already done an exam on him. So I'm just going to have you look up just to kind of show, like, you okay there?
No.
No, it hurts?
Yeah, leaning forward's fine, leaning back is...
Okay, just kind of giving a little baseline for the video. You can kind of feel how when I bring your head to the right and do different things like that.
Right.
So little, cross your arms in front of yourself. We're going to show us a little mobility and such. But, all right. So, like I said, I've already done his exam. I've already kind of checked everything out for him. You're just going to relax. I think you said you've watched a couple of YouTube videos, and you said the sound sounds like it would be a wonderful feeling, right?
Yes.
Now, you were referred to by a friend, I believe is what you said,
Yes.
who said that we do good work here and everything. But what you're going to do is real simple. I'm going to come right here on the middle of your back. You're going to breathe in real deep. You'll let it out. I'll push in here. You'll hear a pop. That pop is called a cavitation. It's a gas release of the joint. Breathe in real deep and all the way out. Good. How'd that feel?
It felt wonderful.
Good. All right, breathe in and all the way out. Good. How was that, okay?
Yes.
Good. All right. What we're going to do is we're just going to take your head right here nice and easy. Good. Relax, right? How'd that feel?
Can't stop laughing.
Can't stop laughing? Because you like it? Is that what you're saying? Or what? Bring this knee up. Good, you got it right there. Nice and easy. Good. Hold the other side.
Goodness gracious alive.
Now you work in the food and beverage industry, so you are kind of up on your feet, moving around a lot and lifting things, and you've got to be pretty active, and so this is probably hindering you from doing some of that a bit, correct?
A lot, yes. I mean, it makes me a little less reluctant to want to do it.
Sure. All right, just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. Line it back for me. How'd that feel?
It felt wonderful.
While I'm doing so, I'm going to stretch the legs. So just bend this knee. I know you're in jeans, but we're still going to stretch you a little bit. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Me too. Sorry, I'm a little sarcastic.
It's perfectly fine. I'm the same way.
And this one?
You can't work in a kitchen and not expect not to be sarcastic.
Right. I worked at a couple kitchens in my day. My favorite of the industry was when I worked for Sodexo. I worked like just catering jobs and such. When I was in grad school, I enjoyed it a lot. And it was easy work because it was 1099. Like he would ask me, hey, can you do this event? And I could do it or I couldn't. So just gonna stretch your shoulders out because you got a little bit of, you know, that good old American posture where you kind of round the shoulders, round the mid back and everything else. But that's okay. We just want to stretch it. I'm just tractioning you out. Just tractioning you out. Work the muscles to loosen it all up so that you can get a nice adjustment, because if the muscles are released, the joints adjust a lot better. And so again, I'm just stretching you here. That feels kind of nice, right?
Yeah.
Or tender, or painful, or what?
Tender, a little painful.
Okay, fair enough. When you stretch a muscle that's kind of in spasm, it doesn't always feel good. It's not quite as bad as stretching like a Charlie horse muscle, but
True.
yeah. Just relax. What you're gonna do is kind of relax, right? Good. You all right?
I wasn't expecting that one.
All right, that was the pop that I was telling you. You okay? Okay, fair enough. Just asking. All right, that was the worst one of all of them. Just a FYI.
Good to know.
Okay. All right, so that's over. You're gonna lift over your right shoulder, nice and easy. And I know that was painful because I was locked up pretty good in that. Sit up for me if you don't mind. But it's one of those things that if I tell you ahead of time, hey, this is gonna be a little painful, what are you gonna do? You're gonna tense up and fight me.
Yes.
Now move that neck around and everything else, step back. Tell me how it feels.
It doesn't hurt as bad as to move it, but it still feels like it's
a little tension and such right there. Okay. What about up and down?
It's not as bad as before, but there's still tension.
A little tension right there. Yeah. That's where I was kind of twisting and when you're on your stomach like this and everything else. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross your arms. You're gonna roll towards me. You're gonna take a deep breath in. I'm gonna roll you back on top. You're gonna breathe out, and I'm gonna push there. Make a little pop, like right there where you're talking about. Breathe in and all the way out. Good. I'm gonna lower you down just a little bit more so I can get over the top of you. A little bit easier. Breathe in and all the way out. Okay? I know that's the most comfortable thing you've ever had done. Move it around now. See if it's a little looser, a little less painful.
Still a little on the tense side.
Still tense or tender, or what'd you say?
Tense.
Tense? Okay, tense is okay. So a lot of times what happens after you get adjusted is, let's say, you know, if you only have 30 or so degrees of rotation and I go and adjust you, you get 45 or more or whatever, which both of those are more examples than that. You will then feel tighter than before the adjustment because those muscles haven't stretched that much, if that makes any sense. So a lot of times it's like, it feels tighter, but I have more range of motion. And it's because those muscles now have to loosen up to be able to adapt that range of motion. They haven't stretched that far. Stand up, move around a little bit more if you don't mind. In the middle back and everything else, the low back. Kind of tell me how that feels.
It feels a whole lot better.
Right? Okay. Neck was tight. You know, I think you said that you had been in a couple car accidents in the past and things like that. Mostly just fender benders and stuff, but that should feel better. Do you have any questions for me?
Not really. Okay. I mean, I'm just, we're gonna get popped again.
We're gonna get popped again. We'll talk about that in just a minute, okay? All right, thank you, subscribe, and like the video.